Yeah. Hey, let me get a lemonade. I don't want a lot of ice though. Cause sometimes I gotta be like, yo, can I get a lemonade with all this ice? You know what I'm saying? Went to Chick-fil-A and ordered fries. Yeah. You already know what kind of size. Let me get that large. It will be my pleasure. Then look me in the eye. When I bite into it, I'm a ride. Fresh from the fire, I don't wanna waste no time. Where's the roof of my mouth? It will not be worth it tonight. When I go to sleep, I dream about them continuously. They're fine. I can look away. Fractions make my dream. Back again, ordered a number 5. Yeah. Polynesian sauce, Chick-fil-A, and a buttermilk rag. Hey, smelled in the bag, and I got a around my avalanche. I just had to tell you about their fries. 3-1 circles round my mind. Even when I'm down and or have an appetite, you're all fine. Yeah. And you stand out on your own. Cook them peanut oil, there will never be a clone. You're fried. Fresh from the fire, I don't wanna waste no time. Earth the roof of my mouth, it will not be worth it tonight. When I go to sleep, I dream about them continuously. They're fine. I can look away. Fractions make my dream. Yeah.